Here's the number one question I hate to see hairstylists and barbers ask online. Hey, what do you charge for your services? In this video, I'm going to share with you why you should never ask another hairstylist or barber what they charge for their services. Hey, I'm Alex, retired salon owner and hairstylist and author of the Amazon best-selling book, The Six-Figure Salonpreneur, 8 Easy Steps to Making $100,000 Working 3 days a week or less. So, hey, listen, guys, here's why you should not ask another hairstylist or barber how much they charge for their services. You could be in the same city. You can actually provide the same services. Heck, you can even be in the same salon or barbershop. But here's why you should not base your prices on what someone else charges. Number one, cost differences. The cost of operating your business helps to determine what you should be charging for your salon or barbershop services. So, if you happen to own a barbershop or salon, then you're responsible for the rent, light, gas, water, insurance, all of the expenses that come along with it. So, you want to make sure that you know exactly what your cost of operating your business are. Once you understand what your costs are of operating your business or cost of your overhead, once you understand the cost of your personnel, paying yourself or other employees, once you understand the cost of labor, once you understand also your product cost, now you have a basis for how to spread that cost over each one of your services. So you want to make sure that you cover your expenses, the cost of doing business. You want to make sure that you are paying yourself. You want to make sure that you're paying for your products. And you want to build on top of that some profit. That profit allows you to have money to reinvest into your business. It allows you to have money to reinvest into your education. So again, the barber or the hairstylist right next to you or in another salon, their cost may be totally different from yours. And that's the reason why you don't want to base what you charge on what they charge. Number two, there may be a difference between services. And in most cases, there will be a difference. You may be more efficient with doing hair cutting, or they may be more efficient at doing color, or someone else may be able to do a relaxer much better, or they might be using different products, or they have a different process. Whatever it is, the services are different. So you want to take into account the quality, the value you deliver to your customers and clients. You want to take those things into account when you are trying to figure out what you should be charging. So if you have more experience, if you have more education, if you deliver a higher value, a better salon experience, or a better barber experience, well, guess what? That would allow you to charge a bit more for your salon or barber shop services. So you want to make sure that you understand what you provide, what your service delivers. You want to understand the value that you deliver in the marketplace, and you want to make sure that your prices incorporate up or down the value you deliver in terms of your salon or your barbershop experience. And number three, here's the third reason why you should never ask another barber or hairstylist. Because 95% of barbers and hairstylists don't know what the heck they're doing when it comes to charging for their salon services. They don't know how. If you want to learn how to charge appropriately for your salon services, if you want to know how and when you should go up on your salon prices, when it makes sense, you want to talk to someone who knows. So get a business coach. Grab my book, The Six-Figure Salonpreneur, 8 Easy Steps to Making $100,000 Working 3 Days a Week or Less. I go through step by step and I show you how to correctly price your salon services or your barbershop services. And then I show you when and how to increase your salon prices to minimize the risk of losing customers and clients. Hey, I'm Alex. Follow me and like, subscribe for more financial tips.